1. Leverage scarcity and urgency. Create limited time offers or limited stock to push customers to make quick decisions. This builds urgency and boosts conversions. 2. Personalize emails with AI. Use AI tools to segment and personalize your email campaigns, addressing customers by name and recommending products based on their preferences and behaviors. 3. Harness user-generated content. Encourage your customers to share reviews, testimonials, and photos of your product. Showcase this content to build trust and social proof. 4. Use chatbots for instant engagement. Implement chatbots on your website to engage visitors instantly, answer queries, and guide them through the sales process, reducing bounce rates. 5. Optimize for voice search. With the rise of voice assistants, make sure your content is optimized for voice search by focusing on conversational keywords. 6. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with micro-influencers who have a loyal audience in your niche. Their followers trust their recommendations, giving your brand credibility and reach. 7. Retarget abandoned carts. Use retargeting ads to remind customers about the products they left in their carts. Offering a small discount can encourage them to complete the purchase. 8. Create a FOMO effect on social media. Share behind-the-scenes content, early product releases, or limited offers exclusively on your social platforms to create a fear of missing out FOMO. 9. Offer a subscription service. Introduce a subscription model for products people frequently purchase. This ensures recurring revenue and customer loyalty. 10. Use data-driven targeting. Analyze customer behavior using analytics tools to create hyper-targeted ads. This reduces ad spend and increases ROAS by targeting the right audience with the right message.